Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IPAS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice day for the price. Not only the price, but you look down here and you can see biggest volume this chart has had for a while. Volume dropped off quite a bit, after that initial surge, but still the volume that it had was much bigger than what the chart is normally used to seeing. So it'll be interesting to see if the volume can return and push this further, or just how the week is going to unfold, because today's just Monday, so still 4 days left. But let's first start by mapping out some areas of support. First level is what I would call the ideal level of support. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if 77 cents can continue to hold. And I use the word continue very deliberately. If you look through the history of the day, you can see that on several occasions the bears try to press down through that 77-cent mark, but to give full credit where it's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So if that, like I said, can continue to happen going forward, that's definitely going to be a huge sign of strength. Now, if it doesn't, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because when you take a step back and now look at the big picture of things, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher. So the very cut and dry way to kind of look at this chart from a big picture perspective is, simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, full health, however you can best visualize that, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? I'm just going to talk about one, and I'll explain that in a minute, but key level of resistance right now, right up there at 87 cents. Reason I'm only going to focus on one level of resistance is, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance. Not really the top priority right now. Top priority for the chart is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as a chart is building higher bases and putting in those higher lows, the long-term overall chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So no doubt about it, nice start to the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.